You already know how it feels to sneezing. You sense that threatening tickle in the back of your nose, first followed by the gasping intake of breathing and a cathartic blast in the end. Anything that irritates your nasal passages could allow you to sneeze. Discomfort in your nasal passages signals the brain, and then your body responds by managing the muscle tissue in your nasal passages to expel air powerfully. There are several myths and interesting facts associated with sneezing. Some people say sneezing makes your heart stop. Is it true? Does your heart stop when you sneeze? The simple reality is no. Sneezing does not make your heart stop. There is an increase in the intrathoracic pressure when you sneezing. When this happens, the blood circulation to your heart is decreased. This consequently creates your heart modify its regular heartbeat for a short time to adjust. What it means is that your heart does not stop when you sneezing, and actually, there is a change in the rhythm of your heartbeat, which may make you feel that your heart has skipped a beat. Does your heart stop when you sneeze? Now you know the response. A sneezing is an involuntary nasal reaction caused by irritation to the mucous membranes. There are many traditional beliefs about sneezing, such as the notion that the heart stops beating momentarily during a sneeze, essentially killing you for an instant, which is why it's common for someone to bless you after a sneezing. The truth, though, is a little different. Just before sneezing, a lot of people relax slowly. This improves pressure in the chest and briefly inhibits the blood flow to the heart, which can reduce hypertension and boosts the heart rate. But as you exhale, your blood pressure improves and heart rate, consequently, goes down. At one time, sneezing arouses the vagus nerve, which operates from the brain through the stomach. In general, any moment the vagus nerve is stimulated, the body's reaction is to reduce the heart rate. The effect of this is minimal, however, slowing the heart perhaps only a single beat. No sneezing with sight open. Have you ever asked why you can't be on the lookout while sniffling? Your eyes reflexively shut every time you have a coughing scene, and specialists have diverse clarifications for this. Some belief in it is a transformative modification primarily to defend your eyes from anything that leaves your nose or mouth as a result of coughing. Others are from the perspective that it happens because of muscle withdrawal. At any rate, the old spouse's story about eyelids shutting to defend your eyes from taking out is surely not genuine. Numerous factors can cause sneezing. You may think just dirt and spice up could allow you to sniffle, yet the truth is several elements could allow you to wheeze. Dust, clean, and spice up are the typical guilty parties, however, you may wheeze when you sniff impactful smells. Any modification in temperature, particularly colder air, could allow you to wheeze. You may furthermore sniffle while culling your eyebrows, predominantly in light of which it bothers the nerves associated with your nose. Many people may furthermore wheeze while popping pimples or rubbing their eyes. A number of people even wheeze when they are presented to brilliant lights, and this is because of an acquired characteristic called photic sniffling. Sniffling and superstitions. Strangely, significant amounts of superstitions are connected with wheezes. The old Romans and Greeks were of the viewpoint that coughing to the privilege would bring you luckiness, while something awful would happen for sniffling to one side. Many people say, "favor you," when they hear somebody wheeze, while others may say, "to your well-being," in the same circumstance. Those people believe in that coughing is your spirit's approach to leave your body, however, it packs back in when somebody says, "favor you." No sneezing in sleep. The mucus layers swell when you rest, which allows you to touch ear to the dust particles noticeable all around, so you should sniffle more in relaxing. Nevertheless, all muscle tissue other than the ones that management your eyes get to be deadened when you enter profound relax, such as muscle tissue that management a sniffle. Amid superficial relax, the nerves that cause a sniffle are furthermore stifled, so you are additionally not prone to wheeze in shallow rest. For a lot of people, this goes unnoticed. But in certain cases, when you sneeze, it can slow the heart rate or lower the blood pressure to such an extent that it causes a person to pass out. In the medical literature, this is known as sneezing syncope. Some people may also have an exaggerated reaction to a sneezing or a cough if they have a genetic heart abnormality, or if they are taking medications affect their heart rate, like beta blockers.